tell me that I only had one earring in the last clip? That's how y'all do? That's how y'all do?
What goes up must come down. But I'm so high, I might not ever land. Moonwalking on the clouds. I got that love straight from Neverland. Stop that acting foul.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is briiajavette. I mostly do haul videos, some get ready with me's, and we're gonna see what else I come up with in the coming year. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm gonna give you a minute. And you click that notification bell so you get notified every time that I post. Okay. Well, today we're just gonna do a quick short haul. I got like 4 outfits sent to me by Roaso. I always say it wrong, but it'll be linked below. I decided to give them another chance because last time was kind of like, but like I said, it could have been just me ordering the wrong sizes or whatever like that. But we got some pieces. We gonna check them out. Y'all gonna comment below. Let me know what your favorite outfit is. What do you want to see next? I will tell you next week. I got a pretty little thing haul, but I want to go ahead and get this out because they did send me these clothes, and I definitely want to go ahead and review them for them and you. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much more. Let's get into the outfits. Okay, so here is the first outfit. Let's back up so you can see where it sits at. Hopefully you can. Dang, I'll be going back to Never Never Land. Hey! Anyways, so it's just this cute little sweater, 2-piece. Pretty casual. I think it's cute. I can put heels on with this. You know, I like to dress up, dress down. But it was definitely something different from my wardrobe. I think I got it into 3X, but you know, I'll link everything below along with the sizes. And yeah, but I really do. I like this. Nice and casual. You know what I'm saying? Grocery shopping outfit, out outfit, brunch. I don't know. I'll be trying to do the most for brunch sometimes, so I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I feel like I want to do something else with this. I'm hoping the shirt at the top maybe shrinks up a little bit. I don't know. Which I think. Yeah. Next outfit. All right. Let me get this right. Okay. Next outfit is pretty long. Goes all the way down to my shins, as you can see. Look, let's back up into the abyss. Maybe you can see it. Or not. Anyways, I think I got this one in a 2X. I love it. Sleeves are long, so if you're taller, it's definitely a long dress. It's still gonna have that cute midi length. Fits pretty okay. I mean, it fits good. Put a little shapewear on with it since it don't suck nothing in. Back. Look at this. Super cute. Cute for a little date night. It's like a nice little spandex material, but it's not too thick. It's kind of thin. So, you know, if you're in a cold climate, you're going to need a coat. Probably. More than likely. But yeah, I love it. Okay, too. We winning these days. Let's carry on. Hey, so I absolutely love this. It goes all the way down to the ankle. You ain't missing nothing from the bottom. I mean, super, super cute. Like, I didn't even expect it to be this cute when I initially got it. But baby, right? And I don't even wear a lot of colors. I'm trying to be branched out. Sorry, my drawers is high. Let's fix that. Okay, so this is the back. Super cute. I learned when I get like pants and stuff from these places I'm unsure go up, which I'm glad I did because I like the fit a lot. It's a 3X. If I ever need to, I can definitely get this taken in because it is a little big, but I mean, I like recorded a video before, different hair and everything, so I put it on my socials if you're on there. But I had to re-record, so I look different now. But yeah, so far I mean, this might be my favorite overall, but I got one more. I got one more. I got one more. I'll be back. Okay, last but definitely not least is this cute little number. Okay, it's nice little spandex. It's thin, not too hot, so that's a good thing. The back, I probably am a little mess, but y'all get it. So cute. You fix this suggestion however you want. If you want it to peek out, if you don't want it to peek out. But I love it. And that's that infamous hide your stomach pose. But I'll be like, now these sleeves, I will say this. Now I did my arms a little, you know, perspiration. They do come up a little more. Normally when I did try this on and did some TikToks in it because I needed to. But yeah, this is by far my favorite. Goes all the way down to the ankle. I don't know what's up with this earring, y'all. So y'all didn't want to tell me that I had an earring on in the last clip. That's how y'all do me. That's how y'all do me. Okay. That's okay. I'm just posing a little bit more. Final thoughts. Final thoughts. Let's wrap this up. Final thoughts. All in all, I really loved every single outfit that I got from them this time. So I haven't lost my faith. Y'all regained my faith back. The last one, I was wondering a little bit, but you did your thing today, okay? You did your thing. Anyways, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. I'll be back next weekend with another haul. It'll be a Pretty Little Thing haul. Why am I out of breath? Click down the link below. It's going to have everything on there, including a 10% coupon code, briiajavette for 10% off. Also, if you want to see me during the week, follow me on my socials. They're below as well. And yeah, till next time. Bye.